Neo, was our tour guide, and he was very professional, friendly and knowledgeable. We traveled through the cave safely with no issues. We learned a lot about the cave system and its features. The food and showers included in the package were a good addition, however we had a vegetarian in the group and we were not given a good vegetarian option. Overall a great highly recommended. It takes 4 hours in total to go from stage 1 to 4 at once, but it is an experience that cannot be had in Japan. First, you go up 1,000 steps of the cave stairs to stage 2. You slowly proceed, taking quizzes such as what kind of stone and what kind of stone pattern looks like at various places. I was surprised that grass was growing in such a dark cave because of the light from the lighting fixtures. After completing stage 2, you go down the locked stairs, turn on your headlamp, you can rent one for 5 Rm, and the adventure of walking on the rocks begins. You go through the gravel road, sand road, and between the rocks while feeling the sound of water echoing in the distance. Where a large rock blocks the path, you crawl forward one by one through the gap below, crawl on all fours while half submerged in water, and in deep water you move forward in a low tour guide Mr. Razi was indeed friendly and knowledgeable. Weather was great and luckily only the two of us plus guide, so the pace were on time. The tour was quite challenging, especially stage 3 and 4. We started stage 1, 2 then proceeded to 4 and you turned to stage 3. The tour is worth money spent. After caving went back to Ulu River Lodge. Really unforgettable experience, impressive, but really tired haha. Suggest to wear long sleeves and pants, with rubber shoes would be fine. Our guide Awa is really helpful, trustworthy and professional, highly recommended. Fantastic experience, beautiful cave. The tour guide provide great insights about the cave. Surprised that this package also include lunch too. Recommended. The trip was fantastic. Our tour guide Mad guided us to routes that were challenging yet fun with almost no people, so it's like we had the cave all to ourselves. We did the whole works, crawled, dipped in water, climbed uphill through rocks, etc. Would recommend anyone savor time when you book through Klook one day early. Have so much fun during the exploration. New experience for us. Have a very good and skillful guider, which always take care about us. Such a blissful to get 3 guider on that day. So memorable. Amazing cave exploration by our guide Dodi. We took an open-air lorry to the cave, which was really fun, and he patiently answered all our questions and showed us the cave and the interesting things to look out for. Definitely would recommend. When I inquired beforehand, the admin also recommended the best stage to choose as we brought along our parents who might not be too fond of. Very good tour guide and Matt Bergman Tap Extreme Package 4 we tried. Good staff at Ulu Riverbug. The meal also great at View River. Explore Tempurung Cave today with an experienced and friendly guide, Matt. An amazing cave exploration. Strongly encouraged to go. Worth the price and enjoyed. Everyone was super friendly, including the guide, and food provided was delicious. Sad face emoji, sad face emoji. Thank you for the great experience. Heart hands emoji, heart hands emoji.